to change the game, and I'm on my way to fame. Cause I'm here, I'm ready, about to do my thing. Haters stay from out my lane, I promise I am the same. Cause I'm here now. Live life with no fears, blood, sweat, and more tears. That's what sacrifice is.
What's good, Phone Sean family? We are back, y'all. We're back. Yes, sir. So today we decided to come to Grandscape in the Colony. So if you're ever in Dallas, Texas, North Texas, this is a great place to check out. There's so much things to do over here, as far as shopping, eating, playing games. There's all sorts of stuff. There's actually apartments over here, so it's just a whole community of just entertainment. So I figured I'd come out here today and have some fun and give you guys just a look around, Grandscape, point out a few of the things that I like to do over here. And like I said, if you're in Dallas, make sure you stop by. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share this. Y'all, we're on our way to 2K subscribers, but let's run it up. Let's run it up to 5K. But yeah, so I told y'all I was gonna start doing a lot more videos like this of just stuff fun to do around Dallas, or obviously when we travel and things like that. So yeah, we getting here, we gonna get to it. Movie theater, so if you just want to come by and catch a quick movie, it's definitely something you can do here. Pretty nice, pretty updated theater. It's such a beautiful day too, y'all. It's like 70s and cool, as opposed to being 100 like it's been. 6 for y'all that like to play cricket. Indoor simulated cricket establishment. It's pretty cool. There's one of my favorite spots, Andretti indoor karting and games. Pretty dope. Let me take y'all inside real quick.
Swipe the card or insert the coin.
Here is the indoor go-kart track, which is really cool. That's what I love about this place. Unfortunately, nobody's racing right now. What you can see on the mini track is for your smaller children and whatnot to ride on that track. I think it's a little bit slower. But yeah, I'm definitely the king when it comes to go-karting. So if you're ever in Dallas, you want to go-kart, hit me up and let's get on the track. But this is just one of the few viewing areas you can look at. Yeah, pretty dope. Cool how they have the lights and everything. So and it's all electric, so you don't have to smell the gas or anything like that. Normal bowling, so I think they use a smaller ball, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's on the upper level, away from the arcade and the go-karting as well. Also have a full bar up here. Bar downstairs. And they also have food. We'll go down there and take a look at the food in just a second. So like I said, they do offer food. It's like different options. It's kind of like a a truck yard theme. It's kind of cool. They got this little options. They got ice cream. Pizzas, salads, desserts, shareables.
That's the same menu that's
Okay,
up there.
thank
It's
you.
Front and back.
Thank you. So here's a look at kind of what they got, y'all. So she just told me every menu is the same. So basically you can just order from one spot, which is cool. But yeah, this is definitely a fun place to come, have parties, and just hang out for adults and kids. So another cool place that just opened up is called Fireside Surf. We've talked to them. Actually, we're gonna come out here and do another video with them, but this is a really cool spot where if you like to surf, hang out, this would be a great place to come. And they have like lessons. You can go at night. There's certain days, times for kids. They have a DJ, I believe, on Saturday nights, so it's a whole vibe out here. Sit and chill, watch people surf if you want to. Definitely gonna try it one day. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. They just opened up this place called Kazim, like literally a week ago. It's basically like the Dome in Las Vegas, where you can watch events, sporting events, things like that, where it's stadium seating, booths, things like that, where they have a huge screen and you can watch, purchase tickets and watch, you know, like on a big screen. Let's see if we can get in there and see if
The new era of college football has arrived.
So unfortunately we can't get in there because you have to buy a general admission ticket, which is fine, respect that, but we're definitely gonna go in there. Hold on, y'all, my battery is dying. Okay, we back. Like I said, sorry the battery died. But yeah, we can't get in there because we don't have tickets to an event. That is fine, we're definitely gonna come check this out and get y'all some cool footage if they let us sometime. They have the UFC fights, football, they're trying to get the contract for NFL, and I believe boxing as well. So it's another dope spot. But my last favorite spot would be PopStroke. Where are my putt-putt people? This is the ultimate putt-putt spot. I believe it is owned by Tiger Woods. It's 18 holes, and it makes you feel like you're on like a real golf course, which is pretty dope. Hopefully we can get in here and check this out. I believe we should be all right. It's called PopStroke. Eat, putt, and drink. You want to play here?
Yeah.
So do you want to play here?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool. So like I said, y'all, you get the full experience like you're on a real golf course. You got the sand traps to make this a little bit more difficult. It is 18 holes, and I believe it's $35, and that'll give you access for the whole day, so you can kind of come and go as you please, which is pretty reasonably priced. They have a leaderboard up back there. Yeah, it's really fun at night when you're out in the sun and you just got the lights and everything like that. They got the misters going, they got the music. It's a whole vibe. We'll hang out whole ping pong, and then they have a bar for all your sporting events.